Hey my loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Yuri and I do a whole bunch of videos about luxury unboxings, lifestyle, things like that. Well, today is going to be another unboxing. I've had this bag for a while. I've had this bag since January. I went on a 4-day trip to Vegas. You guys know you cannot be in Vegas for too long. When I was there, my main goal was to go to Hermes, seeing if they had anything available. You know, sometimes people get lucky scoring bags in Vegas, and I know that there has been a couple of people that I know that have gotten bags. I'm sure they did a lot of spending, which I don't ask, but I did go to Hermes to two of the stores because one was being renovated, and they offered me a her bag, which not my style. I'm sure the craftsmanship is there, but I did not want it, and I left the store so sad because they had nothing that I wanted. I asked for a Constant Slim, I asked for a couple of belts they didn't have, I asked for a Kelly to go wallet, nothing, no ready to wear, nothing. No swimsuits, nothing. So I left there very sad. I was at the Shops of Crystals and I went inside DIOR. You guys, when I tell you that DIOR has the best customer service, like the best customer service of all the luxury stores. I mean, my store, Hermes, is very sweet. I love everyone at my store. Come say hi. The manager always comes and gives me a hug. My SA, all the SAs come and say hi. But at DIOR, it's a whole different store. Very kind, and they sit there, you talk to them, it's like you're friends with them. And I met a very lovely lady. I don't know if she's watching. I don't really want to give out her name unless she tells me to on Instagram. She was amazing. Everyone there was amazing. And I was trying on a couple of bags, seeing which one I wanted. I really wanted to take a bag from this trip. I always try to buy a bag every trip that I go on, unless it's like, you know, Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, things like that. But I was looking around and I found a bag that I wanted. And I'm not sure if they still have this packaging because it's from January, guys. So beautiful, look at that. I love DIOR's packaging, it's so nice. So it comes with a blue ribbon. It's the box. So I was trying on bags, and I am very into classics. I love everything classic because, you know, it's timeless. I can use it all the time, and I don't have the money to just spend on things that are gonna go out of style quickly. So, of course, you guys already know I got a mini Lady DIOR, and I'm gonna show you guys. So, all right, let's see. And this comes with, let me show you guys real quick. I don't even know. Oh, the authenticity card and a care booklet. This is the receipt. And DIOR, you can just go online and see how much the minis are. Okay, so let's do this. So here, I think, oh my god. So you open it like this. And I did wear this already. I wore it one time. I took it out of the box because I had a Zimmermann dress that I had bought for Valentine's Day and I wanted to look beautiful. So I had no bag to wear, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it out and put it right back in. So here it is. Just a little. Right, and the same thing, it comes with a little tissue up here, nothing special. All right, here's the bag, and I got a cute mini Lady DIOR, and the color is latte, so it's like a creamy white with champagne gold hardware. Isn't this so adorable, you guys? Oh, it is so cute. I was thinking about getting a micro, and I still have the stickers and everything. Isn't this the cutest little thing? Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I'm very scared of white, very scared of white. So I have to be very, very careful. I made sure I wash my hands, and it comes with a strap, which I love because you can use it and be hands-free. And okay, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is the price. It's still on there. And this is how it looks inside. And it's lambskin, guys. So it's very delicate. I have to be very careful with it. In one of the previous videos, I told you guys I wanted to start collecting the Lady Dior bags. And there's one bag right now that really has my attention, and it is the Lady Dior. And I've seen it in different colors. I've seen it in this green, was beautiful. I've seen it in purple, and I want the micro size because I know that the micro size fits a phone, and this one does not fit my phone. But I don't care because we always have our phones in our hands anyways. All right, so here it is. Isn't it cute? And I'm gonna try it on with the strap. So here it is with the strap. I love it. Love, love, love. It's not too long, so I think that it sits, I'm 5 foot, so it sits pretty okay. So this is the new cutie that I added to the family, and it's going on display. We'll be calling one of the essays soon, and getting another one because I want like a baby pink or a baby blue, but in the micro size. So let's see. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to get another video for you guys on Sunday. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you liked my last video, the Hermes haul with my new baby Birkin. If you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it. You will love it. It is such an adorable little bag. So if you like these types of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Mwah.